Hey, what's up, Crypto Tips? I am in Armenia right now, at a beautiful church. Sorry, my voice is gone. Had a blast the last couple of days here. I want to go over some things on energy and Bitcoin's energy usage. Now, there was just a report that came out that said Bitcoin's energy usage is down 60% from what it used to be. Um, and it's really difficult to see through the lines because there's a lot of different governments out there that want to tear down Bitcoin. Even the World Economic Forum was saying if we could just add something to the code, it's going to make Bitcoin much greener. And these are very interesting people saying these things because Bitcoin is pretty much the opposite of what they are. They are centralized, they want full control. Bitcoin is more free, it's way more free, and it's decentralized. These people are very centralized. So keep in mind that Bitcoin's energy usage, like the global waste, takes up 0.16% of all global waste for energy usage. Now, what is the alternative? If you wanted to preserve a fiat currency, well, let's look at the US dollar. The US dollar uses the military to protect the US dollar uses 4.6 billion gallons of fuel each year. And I'm not talking about the expenditure of politicians and bureaucrats and banking institutions and way they wire money across the world and how money moves. So I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about the simple fact that they are trying to protect the US dollar by spending so much fuel bombing countries, whatever they have to do it. So keep in mind that Bitcoin is the most secure network in the history of the world, and it's the most decentralized, essentially, currency in the world. I think, it's ranking in the top 12 or 12 currencies in the world now. It's actually money, in my opinion, because money actually holds its value over a long period of time, whereas currencies actually don't. I think the average lifespan for a currency is around 46, 48 years old, and the US dollar is around 50 years old right now. So keep that in mind. Just be very wary of people that are saying that Bitcoin does use a lot of electricity. It really doesn't compared to what it actually does. And yeah, just be very careful with listening to these people and actually taking these people very seriously, because I think a lot of governments are in the future going to crack down on this stuff, crack down on Bitcoin's energy usage, because that's the only thing that they can really attack. So keep that in mind. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.